Heavy rain going outside. This is at the back from the hurricane, and we're having thunderstorm. The rain is consistent. You hear the rain? You hear the rain, guys? Heavy rain. It's at the back. Heavy rain falling now. So I put some chapal in here to keep the rain out from wetting up the veranda here. That's what I have going on here. Heavy rain going on outside. So as simple as you see, it's not simple because this is a lot of rain. See? A lot of rain falling. Reporting here from St. Catherine, Jamaica. A lot of rain is falling. My Julie mango tree, that's a Julie on the tree. Yes, Julie. See? A lot of rain. Look at the rain, guys. Can feel every rain falling. Feel every falling. Every rain. Every rain. Rain is falling very heavy. Keep safe, my friends. Keep safe, my friends and family in Jamaica. Keep safe. Keep safe. Stay in if you have to. You don't have to go outside. That's okay. Whatever you have, enjoy in your house until you get the chance when everything. See, we're planning to go on the road. Nope, not leaving the house today. The weather is here. This is just the tail of the hurricane. We didn't get it passing by. But could you imagine if we got the hurricane? Look there. Look how heavy the rain is. Could you imagine if we got the hurricane? Look there.